Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we'll see a experimental framework from OpenAI called Swarm. Recently, it got launched, right? And it is similar to the um, like Crew AI, which is available in the market for creating an agents, right? Agents are the simulation of different functions to accomplish one task for users question or query, right? So and also there are like other uh, like open source available thing which was transformers agents 2.0 and other things are also there in the market, right? But this were some famous examples like crew AI, right? So here it is similar to that, right? But this swarm is mainly focusing on two things. First one is agents and second one is handoff. Maybe there is some like spelling mistake here, right? So agents encompass instructions and tools, right? So instructions are like whatever we give in the agent, right? That you are this agent to do this kind of thing, right? And tools are the functions whatever we create, right? And handoffs are the things which is similar to the transferring the request from one agent to another agent, right? So let's say if I am like initializing my, let's say in this example, right, that we have given in this run function we have given the agent a, right? So now this agent a will transfer the request to agent b because we want to talk to agent b only, right? So now we in these functions we have actually given the different functions which they called, right? So here I'll just copy this and I'll just paste that here, right? And then I'll just run this. So let's see the results. Okay, I have already uh, sorry, this is not the thing. Python test underscore swarm, and now we'll see that now it is saying that agent b is here. So now it is transferring the request from agent a to agent b, right? And then we are getting the response from agent b only, right? Though we have given agent in this run function, but now it is transferring the request, right? So this is the thing which is called handoff in this, right? So this is the important part in this library, right? And now there are like different things available here, that there are like uh, different arguments which we can use, right? So there is a context variable which is throughout the agent's execution, right? Like let's say some agent are uh, like changing the context variable, then at the end, like if we print the agents, sorry, at the end if we print the context variable, then it will be different, right? So it it can be changed from like execution of our program, right? So and also like different things like model override which we need to use when we want to use a different model instead of default model which is getting used in the library, right? And also if you want to stream the response, we can make this flag true to actually stream the response, right? And in the response fields we can actually get these three things: messages, agent, and context variable, right? So here like we are using response dot messages, right? If you want to print the context variable at the end, right? So we can use response dot context variable, right? So different things from here you can try off, right? I'll just copy this code to actually use the context variables. Okay, so now after this client instance creation, I'll just copy this. Okay, so what we are doing, um, we are saying just simple message hi, right? User message, and then we are also giving the context variable, username is equal to John, right? And then we are calling this agent and it will follow these instructions, right? And in instruction we are getting the context variable username, and like we are saying that help the user with this username whatever they want to do, right? So if we'll run this program again, then uh, as you can see that now in the response we are getting hello John, how can I assist you today? Because like we have given John as a context variable, in the response it is automatically recognizing the user's name, and then it will return the answer, right? So this is the thing how we can use the context variable, right? If you want to stream the response, then also you can stream the response by making the stream flag true, as I mentioned, right? So yeah, different things you can try. Now I will just go in the actual example which is there in the library for airline, right? Management. So before moving into the running this code, let's see what are the folders are there, right? So here this is the main file, which is having the context variable for customer context and flight context. Okay, so here in this customer context there are like different information of the customer, customer name, phone number, email and all, right? And the flight context having the flight information, like from like where to where the flight customer has, right? And also the flight number and then departure date, right? And time. Okay, so then if you'll open this configs folder, there is like uh, agents.py file which is having a different functions, okay, and different agents. Okay, so here there is a try agent, right? And there is a flight modification agent, okay. And in the, if you'll notice, then there will be different functions which is initialized in that agents, okay. And also there is a flight cancellation agent, flight change agent, lost baggage agent. Okay, so different agents are there, right? And also in tools, actually there are simple functions which is returning some simple string for that function use case. Okay, so let's say if we want to change the flight, then it is just returning flight was successfully changed, right? So similar kind of thing is here. um, okay, and in the data folder, in the routing folder, right, we can see a different folder. So it is a baggage policies. Okay, so this is the policies for lost baggage. Okay, so like this is the instructions which will get used by LLM behind the scene to actually follow the instruction of user. Okay, so it will ask the follow-up question, and uh, it will get the whatever information it want, and then like it will return the answer, right? So and also there is a flight modification policy. So this is the steps of flight change policy and cancellation policy, right? So different things are here. Just these are the simple instructions, right? And also in the prompts.py there is a system prompt which is a main prompt. um, and also it is saying that you can transfer the request from one agent to another agent if question is related to some other another agent, right? So this is the things. And different things are here that like never share the details about the context or the policy with the user. So we'll see like if we get the like necessary or like private information in the response or not, right? So yeah, these are the things. So now to execute this, I'll just say simple python main.py. So this is the main file. So I'll just say python main.py. Okay, so as you can see, now we have to ask some questions. So let's say I want to change the flight. Okay, so I want to change, or let's say I want to cancel the flight. Okay, cancel the flight. Okay, okay, so let's see the answer. Okay, so now it is calling some functions and other agents behind the scene, and as you can see that try agent has transferred the request to the flight modification agent, right? And then it is saying that I understand that you want to cancel the flight. Could you confirm which flight you are referring to so I can assist you further? Okay, so I'll just say, let's say flight number is 1919, simple thing. Okay, my flight number is 1919, simple thing, right? And then it is saying that flight cancellation travels, thank you for your providing a flight number 1919, can you please confirm if this flight you wish to cancel? So I'll just say yes. Okay, so then as you can see, would you prefer to receive a refund or flight credits for canceling your flight? So I just want a refund, so I'll just say I want refund, right? So let's see. uh, yeah, as you can see that now this function got called, right? And I have initiated your refund. You can expect the refund to be proceeded uh, within 3 to 5 business days, right? So yeah, already my like flight got cancelled, right? So now let's say I want to change my intent to another topic. So let's say uh, I lost, let's say I lost my baggage. Okay, I lost my baggage. Okay, let's see the let's see the answer. So as you can see that now it has transferred the agent to this transfer to lost baggage a function, and then we are in the lost baggage agent. Okay, so basically it is saying that uh, I'm sorry to hear that you have lost your baggage. Okay, and then like it is saying that good news, your baggage has been located. I will arrange for it to be delivered to your address, right? So it is not giving my address, though I have mentioned in to context variable. But let's say if I ask I at what address. Okay, I'll just say at what address. Okay, so it will not give you the answer because in prompt we have restricted the uh, restrict the LLM to not give the personal information. Okay, so it will not give uh, those personal information into um, the answer. Okay, so let's see what we got. So your baggage will be delivered to address currently on the file with us. If you need to update or uh, confirm this address, please let me know. I'll assist you with the necessary steps. So I'll just say I want to confirm. Okay, so if still we want to confirm the address, then it is saying that I'm unable to access the address details on the flight directly. So it will not give the like personal details. It's in the response. So this is in the context like prompt itself. Okay, so yeah, and now I just want to I just say thank you. Okay, thank you. So now it will terminate the like conversation. So as you can see now it has called the case resolved function. Okay, and then it is saying you are welcome. If you have any questions in the future, feel free to reach out. So yeah, that's all about this, right? So uh, as we have seen that like now it has like traversed one agent to another agent to actually get the response for our question, right? So this is how you can test this kind of agents with this by using this swarm library. Okay, there are like different other examples are also there, like as you can see that weather agent, support bot agent, personal shopper. So you can use or test different agents from here, right? So yeah, that's all about this video. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.